How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Children, today we are going to learn a new chapter. Yesterday we learned the new chapter, division. The page number 54 and 55, that warm-up page we learned. Today we are going to learn the continuation, exercise 4.1, which is given in page number 58. Okay children, if you have book, you can take page number 58. We can do few sums. Understood children? Okay. Yesterday we learned what is division, isn't it? Division means grouping, and division is sharing. Like that we learned. Today we are going to learn about the long division only. How we are going to do? Okay. First we have to write find the quotient and the remainder. Find the quotient and the remainder. Find the quotient and the remainder. Okay children, we are going to find the quotient and the remainder. We are going to learn. First sum we are going to learn 844 divided by 4. 844 divided by 4. So what we have to do children? 844 divided by 4. We have to write that this is dividend and this is called divisor. This is which is given inside. The number is called dividend and this is called divisor. Don't forget, this is dividend. This is dividend and this is called divisor. This is called divisor. Understood children? And which we are going to find out, that is quotient and remainder. Okay children? You have to be thorough in 4 tables. All are thorough in 4 tables children? Yes. See, if you want, you can write in the side, in the rough column, you can draw line and you can write. So what you can write? 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So we can write like, then if you want we can write further. Okay children? Okay. In 4, first this is smaller number than 8. It is smaller the number than 8. So 8 goes in 4 tables. Yes. What? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. So we have to put 2 here and 8 we have to put here. So 8 minus 8, what children? 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So what we have to do now? We have to bring down the next number down. So now it's 4, isn't it? 4 goes in 4 table. Yes, it goes 4. 4 1 is 4. 4 1 is 4. So 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. And then you have to bring down this 4 here. Again also say 4 1 is 4. So what's the remainder? 0. So this is called quotient. For short form for quotient is Q and for this is remainder and this is short form for remainder. So what answer we have to write? Answer is answer quotient how many children? 211 and remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Understood children? Have you understood? Okay, we'll go to the next sum. Okay children, we'll see the second sum. 738 divided by 6. So what we have to put here? The dividend you have to write inside and the divisor 6 you have to write here. Okay, so here what tables we have to tell children? 6 tables. See, 6 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So if you want we can write later. Okay children? So okay. Now 7 is bigger than 6. So first we are going to take only one digit. So in 6 tables 7 is going children. Can you see here? Is 7 is in the 6 table? No. So what you have to do? Which is smaller than 7 you have to write. So which is smaller children? Yes, 6 is smaller. 6 1 is 6. So you can't write 6 2s are 12, you can't write, isn't it? So we are writing 6 1 is 6. So 6 1 is 6. So 7 minus 6, what children? 1. 7 minus 6, 1. So 1 doesn't goes in 6 tables. 1 doesn't goes in 6 tables. So what you have to do? You have to bring down this 3. So what it becomes, children? It becomes 13. It becomes 13. Now 13 goes in 6 tables? No. So smaller than 13, what number comes here? 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So here 6 2s are 12. So again 13 minus 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 1 goes in 6 table, children? No. So what you have to do? You have to bring down this 8 here. So what it becomes? It becomes 18. So 18 goes in 6 table, children? Yes. 6 3s are 18. So 6 3s are 18. So 18 minus 18, 0. 18 minus 18, 0. So what's the answer? Quotient 123 and remainder is equal to 0. Understood, children? Okay. We'll do the third sum. Shall we do the third sum, children? Okay. We'll do the third sum here. Okay. 9,543 divided by 3. Divided by 3. Okay. So what tables you have to write here, children? What tables you have to write? You have to write the 3 tables. So I'll write here, children, because the board is too small. I'll write here. Okay, children? But you don't write like this. You write one sum after one sum you write. Don't write as I have written. You write one sum below the other. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21 and 3 8s are 24. Till here 8 table we will write. Okay, children? Okay, first what you have to write here? You have to write the dividend inside. 9, 5, 4, 3. 9,543 and divisor is 3. So, first we have to take the first digit. 9. 9 is bigger than 3, isn't it? So, 9 table goes in 3 tables. Yes. What? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9, children. Don't forget to put the subtraction sign. If you are not putting the subtraction sign, it will be wrong. Okay. So we call it division as a repeated subtraction also we say. Or multiplication means repeated addition and division is repeated subtraction. 9 minus 9, 0. So you have to bring down this 5 here. Okay. Now 5 also bigger than 3. Bigger than the divisor 3. So 5 goes in 3 tables? No. So what we have to do? We have to find the smaller than 5. Smaller than 5. So which is smaller than 5? 3. Because here 6 is there. So 3 is small. 3 1 is 3. So what you have to write? 3 1 is 3. So in 5, 3 goes means what's the answer, children? 2. So 2 goes in 3 table, it's smaller than 3, isn't it? So we can't multiply, it doesn't divide. So what you have to do? You have to bring down this 4. So what it becomes, children? 24. So okay, 24 goes in 3 tables? Yes. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So 24 minus 24? 0. So the 3 is remaining. 3 is the remaining number is 3. So you have to bring down this 3 here. So 3 goes in 3 tables. Yes, 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. So 3 minus 3, what, children? 0. So what's the answer? 1. Here 1. Sorry, 1. Okay. 3 1 is 3. Okay. What's the answer, children? Quotient 3181. 3101 and remainder is 0. Understood, children? Okay. We'll do the next sum. Okay, children. Now we'll see the fourth sum. Understood? 6005 divided by 5. So what you have to write inside? The dividend is 6, 0, 0, 5 and 5 here. Understood? While writing in the note, you can leave 2 line and write. Understood, children? So that the quotient will be visible, it will be neat. Understood? You can write this one and all in black, and the answers you can see as now I am going to write, you can write. Okay. So what tables you have to be thorough? 5 tables. 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay, see. First we are going to take 6. 6 will go in 5 tables? No. So below 6, what's the smaller number? 5. So what's the number? 5. So 5 1 is 5. So 6 minus 5, what children? 1. So 1 goes in 5 tables? No. So what? It's smaller than 5. So what you have to do? You have to bring down this 0. So now it becomes 10. Now it becomes 10. 10 goes in 5 tables? Yes, it goes. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Okay. So 10 minus 10? 0. Now what's the what you have to do? You have to bring down this 0. Does this 0 has a value, children? No. So what we have to do? Automatically you have to put one 0 here. Don't forget, because you bought this 0 here. You can't divide 0, isn't it? It has no value. So what you have to do? You have to put one 0 here, and then you have to bring down this 5 here. Understood, children? If the 0 is not divisible, what you have to do? You have to put this 0 here, 1, here 0, and then you have to bring down this 5 here. Don't forget, okay? And now 5 goes. 5 1 is 5. So 5 minus 5, what's it, children? 0. So what's the answer? What's the answer? Quotient 1201 and remainder is 0. Okay, children? Okay, children, now we will do the fifth sum. Fifth sum, 78 divided by 5. 78 divided by 5. Okay. What you have to write inside, children? The dividend 78, and you have to write the divisor 5. So here also what you have to do, children? You have to write the 5 tables. You have to write the 5 tables. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are... If you don't know, you can write and see. It's no problem, okay? If you are thorough in tables, it's very easy. But I am teaching those who could not understand, okay, children? So don't think, why Mrs. writing always the tables? Don't think, because it will be easy for me to teach you or to understand, okay? Okay, 7. Now first what you have to take? 7. 7 is bigger than 5. So does the 7 tables, 7 goes in 5 tables, children? No. So automatically smaller than 7, what comes? 5. You can't write 10, isn't it? So 5. 5 1 is 5. If say 7 minus 5, what, children? 2. 7 minus 5, what, children? 2. 2 doesn't go. So what you have to do? You have to bring down this 8. So what it becomes? 28. So 28 goes in 5 tables, children? No. So smaller than 20. 28 is what? 25. You can write 30, isn't it? So 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So what the answer will come? In 8, if you minus 5, what will after 5 if you count up to 8? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. Isn't it? 2 minus 2, 0. So here what's this is quotient and this is remainder. So here what's the answer, children? What's the answer? Quotient is 15 and remainder is 0. Understood, children? Okay. Sorry, answer 3. Because the previous sums and all 0 came. No, so mistakenly I have written 0. But here what's the remainder? 3. What's the remainder? It's 3. Understood, children? Okay. Okay, children. One more sum we will learn. 978 divided by 9. So what's the dividend? Dividend is 978. And what's the divisor? 9. So children, what table you have to write here? 9 table, isn't it? So 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, and 9 9s are 81. Okay children, after writing, first what you have to do? We have to take the first digit 9. So 9 goes in 9 table? Yes. 9 1 is 9. 9 1 is 9. So 9 minus 9 what children? 0. So what you have to do? You have to bring the next number down. 7. See, now 7 goes in 9 table? No, it's smaller than 9. It's smaller than 9. So what we have to do? So before bringing down the other number, what I have taught in 6005, what you have to do? You see, first 9 1 is 9. See, 7 doesn't go. So we have to bring down this 8. Before bringing down this 8, what you have to do? You have to add 1 0. If you bring the two numbers at the same time, means what you have to do? You have to add 1 0. Understood children? So what you have to do? 78 means 78 goes in 9 table? No. So what's the smaller number than 78? 72. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. So what will come? After 2 you count up to 8. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's the answer? 6. 7 minus 7? 0. So what's the quotient children? 108 quotient, and remainder is 6. Remainder is 6. So we have to write the answer. Quotient 108 and remainder is 6. You can write 0 6 or you can write only 6. Understood children? Don't forget, when you bring the two numbers at a time, you have to add 0. In 605 also, we bought that 0 also we brought down, and then the 5 also we brought down. So we added, we put 0 here. Understood? Likewise, don't forget to put, if you don't put 0 and if you write only 18 means it will be wrong. See, if you, for easy, you can find out, see, 108 into 9. If you multiply like this, you will get the answer. What answer? 8, wait, 972. See, 9007 and 91 is 9. See, 972 we got. You have to add the 6 also. We have to add this 6. If you add the 6, what we got? 6 plus 2, 8, 7, 9. The answer is correct, children. See. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. I'll give some homework. You copy down that homework, children, and you do that homework continuously. You do that homework continuously. Will you do that homework, children? Okay. Write homework and do the sums continuously. Okay. You did the 6 sums you did. From 7th sum I'll do, you do it. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 8 divided by 2. Easy, only 2 tables. 8616 divided by 6. And the 9th sum 63 divided by 4. And the 10th one 729 divided by 8. 4 sums are homework. Understood, children? You do it neatly. We'll meet in the next class. Okay, children? Thank you.